Travis Scott, the renowned rapper, recognized for his exhilarating performances and larger-than-life personality, found himself caught up in an unexpected situation while aboard a luxurious yacht in Miami. This incident, which transpired earlier this week, culminated in Scott being forcibly handcuffed by Miami police, a moment that has since been captured on Bodycam footage,
revealing the rapper's unmistakable frustration.
And on the open waters, Scott, who has been making waves in the media lately due to his new album Utopia, was enjoying some well-deserved downtime with his friends on a lavish yacht off the coast of Miami. However, the peaceful atmosphere took a dramatic turn when law enforcement swiftly arrived, responding to a reported disturbance. According to reliable sources, the situation rapidly escalated. Miami police boarded the yacht,
leading to a tense confrontation between Scott
and the officers. The recently released Bodycam footage shows a visibly agitated Scott as he faced questioning from the authorities. His typically composed and cool demeanor quickly gave way to frustration as the situation unfolded before him. In the footage, Scott can be heard expressing his disbelief at the circumstances. Under his breath, he mutters, "This is crazy," while officers proceed to place him in handcuffs. This unexpected turn of events left the rapper, known for his rebellious spirit, caught off guard. Despite his valiant attempts to maintain control of the situation, his frustration was plainly evident, a stark departure from the usually composed and self-assured artist that his fans have come to know and admire. Witnesses present on the yacht have reported that this altercation stemmed from a misunderstanding, though the precise details remain uncertain. One thing that cannot be disputed, however, is that Scott never anticipated his leisurely day on the water to culminate in such a distressing manner. The Bodycam footage captures Scott's desperate struggle to keep his composure intact as he questions the necessity of the police response, making it crystal clear to his fans that this incident was far from what he expected or deserved. Travis Scott's Miami yacht incident, a rare moment of vulnerability in recently surfaced footage. Travis Scott can be heard expressing disbelief and irritation as police officers proceed with their actions, turning what was supposed to be a day of relaxation into a public spectacle. The artist, known for controlling the narrative, appeared vulnerable in this rare moment of vulnerability. The video also captures the reactions of Scott's friends and crew members who looked on in shock as the luxury yacht transformed into a scene of tension. As the video circulated online, fans expressed outrage and concern, defending Scott and questioning the actions of the police. In the aftermath of the incident, Scott's legal team has been working to address the situation as he remains focused on his career and fans. Despite the distraction, he has demonstrated resilience, eager not to let the incident overshadow his music or his message. As the story continues to develop, the footage serves as a reminder that even larger-than-life figures, like Travis Scott, can find themselves in unexpected and uncontrollable situations. Despite the frustration, he is determined to move past the ordeal and continue to inspire through his art.